Are you looking for information on how to open a brokerage account? It's really easy with Robinhood, and I have a step-by-step tutorial just for you.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now that you've opened your brokerage account and you want to get started in investing, check out my previous video here about funding your account with just $1. Of course, you can invest more than just $1. Don't forget you get one free stock when you open an account with Robinhood. Help me get a free stock as well by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye.